How to set up eBay business account. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up eBay business account, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So here I am in the page to sign into eBay account, so you can create an account. So by now I'm going to create one. And I'm going to make the process for the business account. So you must provide the business email, the password of your eBay account, and the business location. So by now I'm going to put my own country. And if you want to just buy some stuff on eBay, you must click here. But if you're creating a business account, I suppose it's to sell, okay? So you're not gonna mark this option and you're going to create this account. So in that way, you're gonna receive a security code into your email that you have registered. So you must go into your email and write that password. Okay, and once you have your password, you must verify and to create a username. So this is optional, but you can create it right now. This is gonna perhaps say to you that the username is the same as the email address, that you must change it. So I'm going to create this. Okay, and once you got your username, you must continue. So you have created your business account on eBay. So you must connect this to a Payoneer account, sync eBay and Payoneer profiles, add your financial info and submit the registration info. It could take several days once you have synced your Payoneer account. So I'm going to find a code number of my country and to write my business phone number, and I'm going to receive a code, okay? You must write your verification code and click on continue. And this is going to ask you if you have an existing Payoneer account for this business. So in this case, I'm not going to show you how to create a Payoneer account. So by now I have one. So I'm going to click on yes, sign in. But you can create a new one and you must fill in the data that they're asking you. And also remember that if you have a Payoneer account linked with an eBay account previously, in my case I have linked my account into a personal account, and if you're created a business account, so you must create a new Payoneer account, okay? So in this case you must create a new one if you have this problem. But once you have done that, you must continue with the process to sync your profiles in case you have already one, to add your financial info. I mean, fill in all the data with your bank account or your credit card and submit the registration info. This is all about filling in all the data, and once you have done that, this is going to welcome you. So you must to write your password and sign in into your account. Once you have done that, you're gonna have this home page in your eBay, and here you're gonna be able to create your listing, your multiple listing if you want, and sell all the products that you want on eBay. So this is how to set up eBay business account. Thanks for watching.